don't have a global governance for health, then we will never be able to fight the global threats. So this is something that it's good to park somewhere on the side and to remember that governance is something that many people, when they come to WHO, when I joined WHO, I didn't think about it this way, because I started my way up in the organization from working in Ethiopia in the famine hit communities in Somali region, where people did not have food, nothing. They were very, very sick, and we had feeding camps. So at that moment, or those 2 years, all I cared for were children that needed to be fed and re-nourished carefully to maintain them health. And I didn't think about global issues and why it's important. I knew that these 110 or 120 kids that were at, every time under my supervision, these were the kids that I cared for. And many times we don't see the big picture until we get somewhere, but then we haven't built it. And that's why I really think it's very important that people like you get to understand that in order to have the ability to work in those feeding camps and to get the right standards of care and to get the right to feed refugees and IDPs, for all of this, we need a good, strong global mandate for a health organization.